you got there, Isla?
This one. It's the pig one. This is a big one.
Is it a little pig book?
A pig book. A little pig book. And I got this fairy girl. A fairy girl. The fairy girl.
She's cute.
Yeah, she's very good. She got a dress. Oh.
What color is her hair?
Maybe it's pink.
Mm-hmm.
Pink. Maybe the fairy doll needs to go home. You need to go home. She wants to go home and go to bed.
Put her to bed. Is that how you're feeling, Isla? You want to go home and go to bed?
No, this fairy girl she wants to go home and go to bed. She wants to. I just have
What do you have?
this couch.
You have that couch?
Yes.
Do you like that couch? Do you like it?
Yeah, I just like it.
Does it go nicely in your dollhouse?
Yeah, my dollhouse.
Good.
Oh, this is a coffee table. It's a coffee table. There's a coffee table. It's a coffee table.
Yeah.
Yes, a coffee
And a couple of round stools.
stools.
Yeah. Got other stuff in there. You got a TV, a desk, bunk beds,
Where's the
bathroom
desk?
stuff. It's inside there, the orange desk.
Oh, wow. Okay. She wanted to go back.
It's been a long Christmas day, hasn't it, Isla?
Yes.
A lot of presents to open. And aren't you so thankful for everyone that sent presents? Like Santa stopped in, but also so many people sent you presents. Don't you want to say thank you?
Thank you.
And we love you.
Maybe.
Say I love you.
I love you.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry